Welcome to our guide on transforming small apartment spaces into stylish and functional homes. Today we will explore innovative interior design ideas to make the most of your limited space without compromising on style. Let's start with the living room. Choose multifunctional furniture like a sofa bed to optimize space. Consider a neutral color palette with pops of color through accessories for a vibrant touch. Next up, the dining area. Opt for a foldable dining table that can be tucked away when not in use. Wall mounted shelves are perfect for storing dining essentials without taking up valuable floor space. Moving on to the bedroom, elevate your sleeping space with a lofted bed. This opens up the floor below for additional storage or a cozy reading nook. Use curtains or screens for privacy. Now let's talk about the home office. Consider a fold out that can be hidden when you are not working. Use vertical wall space for storage shelves and create an inspiring work environment. In the kitchen, maximize storage by using pull-out shelves, stackable containers, and magnetic racks for utensils. Keep the color scheme cohesive for a visually appealing look. Finally, the bedroom. Use mirrors to create the illusion of more space and invest in storage solution like over the toilet shelves. Opt for a shower curtain instead of a door for a more open feel. By implementing these creative design ideas, you can turn your small apartment into a stylish and functional heaven. Remember, it's all about maximizing every inch of your space while expressing your unique style. Thanks for joining us on this small space design journey.